There's been over $5 million worth of Solana stolen so far in a hack that is ongoing. A lot of people on crypto Twitter are trying to figure out what the heck is happening. It looks like the wallets being compromised are hot wallets like Phantom and Slope Wallet so far. There's been some rumblings about Trust Wallet and possibly Ethereum, but we're not sure those are entirely connected. They're also not sure how these wallets are exactly being compromised, how their seed phrases or their private keys are being compromised. A lot of this is trying to be found out. There's lots of hangouts happening on Twitter live, people coming together, those who are industry experts trying to figure out how this hack is happening, and the victims are coming together saying, which browsers they're using, if they're using a cell phone or iPhone connected with these hot wallets, is that potentially a vulnerability? So another reason why I never use my phone to do anything with storing my cryptocurrencies. If you guys have Solana NFTs on Phantom or Slope, please move those over to a hardware wallet like Ledger. I know Ledger supports Solana. I'm not sure about Trezor at this time, but definitely Ledger. As a last ditch effort, if you don't have access to a hardware wallet, please, you can move your Solana to a centralized exchange until this kind of blows over. That's not a guarantee either, certainly, but maybe it's better than having your own hardware wallet or your own hot wallet and you don't know how and if it will be compromised. We'll be keeping you guys posted, but always, not your keys, not your crypto. If it's in cold storage, that's the best type of security you can have. If you want to check out the Ledger, I have links for it down below in the video description just for you. See you guys soon and keep you posted.